do you think would make the best dance instructor up here? You're that. No. Yeah. Three. No, you just become the dancer.
She's like, what happened to my ponytail?
This is your instructor. If you don't do what he says do, you're fighting. Here. Lead us through a dance.
Do they all have to do the same dance?
Yeah. No, you can turn them in different things.
You soldier boy. So you gotta do soldier boy. You gotta shake your booty. Shake your booty as fast as you can. Begin, shake your booty. Give him the best dance move you got. What's the best dance you've ever done?
He's doing the soldier boy.
You?
Show him how to dance. How do you dance? You gotta dance with him. Dance with him. Just you. You gotta dance with the boy shaking his booty. And you got soldier boy in a white shirt.
He's teaching down. Yeah.
They're all ballerinas. 1, 2, 3. They're all ballerinas.
You're all ballerinas.
A little junk, please. Please.
She done a little jump there, but I missed
I want to be
behind him.
What?
You're the master dancer. When I say 3, cut loose. 1, 2, 3, cut loose.
What'd you say?
She keeps getting behind him.
And sleep now. You're dizzy now. Real dizzy. Ruth's spinning. Look up. Look up. Ruth's just spinning.
Look how she's looking at him.
Are y'all having fun? Show them that you appreciate it. Give them a hand here. Now, I'll take a few requests one at a time though. What would you like to see? I can't hear you, sweetheart. Supermodels? And one line. All of you are supermodels. When I say 3, the stage starts here. Strut across the stage this way. 1, 2, 3. Strut your stuff there. Strut your stuff there. Strut your stuff there. Strut your stuff there. Runway model. A runway model. I said Princess. Runway model. Runway model. Big boobs. Big. Dolly Parton style. That wasn't good enough. We got to see something more masculine this time. Your muscle filled your ass. 1, 2, 3. Now strike the pose. You have a tight outfit this time. Strike yours. Hard rock, of course. You're rocker. You're gothic. What's the thing? You're gothic. Gothic. Black nails. Purple hair. That's it. He's gothic. If you've ever been around gothic, he's good. And you're just a supermodel from France. Stretch your stuff. Yes. And RuPaul, is that his name?
Oh, Lord.
RuPaul? You're RuPaul. You're Dracula. Stretch your stuff. Got it. He's RuPaul.
She wants dating.
And freeze. Now, another request here. Oh, do I have to be the farm animals? Y'all gonna have to sing for me. Oh, McDonald's, okay? Come on. Y'all can sing Oh McDonald, can't you? Oh, McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had some chickens. Chickens. Chick here, chick here. Oh, let's say a pig. Oh. A cow. A horse. I didn't say a jackass, I said a horse. But you're a good jackass, go ahead. We have a bull here. You don't charge nobody though. You're a gentle bull. And we have a bird here, fly for us. When you clap, they change farm animals. 1, 2, 3, clap for them. Different farm animals. There's something different. What are you now? You're the farmer. Get them.
Get back in there!
And please, you're the dog trainer, and this is all your bunch of chihuahuas on your all fours. Chihuahuas. Chihuahuas.
I hope this battery
Chihuahuas.
never go out.
Hey, you're the trainer, get them. He was taking a leave on the stump over here, okay? Sit, sit, sit.
Go away.
Scratch. Make him scratch. No, you scratch yourself. No. With your legs.
They're eating your neck.
She's a mean dog. And sleep now. Hey, dog. Works every